Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for Albumin reagent. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the kit. Yeah, over here you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. Yeah, this is compatible with all Erba Excel system series. Yeah, this is the front view of the kit. Here also you can see the brand name Erba Mannheim and Excel system pack. This is compatible with the Excel system series. And over here you can find the code number of this reagent. Yeah, you can see the code number is 120265. Yeah, this is the code number of this product and the product name Albumin. And over here you can find the pack size. Yeah, the pack size of this product is 10 into 44 ml. Yeah, over here you can see the kit contents. Yeah, what are the kit present inside it? Yeah, it comes up with R1 Albumin reagent 10 into 44 ml. Yeah, these are the kit present inside, and you can see the shelf life of the product is 18 months. And over here you can find this is a C certified IVD product, in-vitro diagnostics, and this is a temperature control product. This product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. Yeah, at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details of this product. Yeah, these are the details present in it. Yeah, now we can see the other side of it. These are the other side of this reagent. This is the other side. Yeah, that's all about it. Yeah, these are the content present in Erba Mannheim Excel system pack Albumin reagent. Thank you.